today's episode of RAR Garage, the Team RAR house gets hit by a hurricane, but the garage guys have a plan. We have 2 days before the storm hits, and right now the house has a horrible drainage issue, and if we can't fix it, the whole property will be underwater and flooded. But with our heavy machinery, we might be able to create a solution.
So, according to the news, we have 2 days to get the Team RAR house ready for a huge hurricane that's expected to drop over 6 inches of rain. Now, that may not sound like a lot, but when you measure rain, you're only measuring the rain on a 1 square inch spot on the ground. So 6 inches means 6 inches everywhere, and that's more than enough to completely flood the property.
What's going on, guys? We've got this awesome little tiny excavator to go with the huge one. We bought this thing to help out with projects around the property. Our drainage system is all backed up everywhere. As you can see, there's standing water all over the place. So I'm gonna hop in here and dig those ditches out so that we can get the water flowing and everything will be a lot less muddy. But first, let's have a little fun with the old Subaru here. Even though it looks like Carter might have gotten to it before me. I was trying to tear the doors off of it, but I mean, they still work. We're still gonna make this run, so don't worry, we'll get it to start again. All we have to do is, put the engine back together and it'll be good to go. Oh wow, this roof piece here is completely just smashed in. Earlier,
Carter's friend
grabbed the dash and just tore the whole dash out. That's why it's just splayed out all over the place. Now. There you go. It's pretty cool.
This is our new, to us, 2017 Cat 305 mini excavator. Don't let its size fool you. This thing is an absolute monster piece of equipment. This excavator has a massive amount of power, which translates to over 10,000 pounds of dig strength and a total lift capacity of well over 5,000 pounds.
Like an electric line.
Good side. Rats. What is that?
I have no idea.
There's water.
There's water. Fresh.
Well, water stopped. What would water be doing over here? I don't know.
There's no spigots in the garage, right?
No, there's water over there, but it doesn't come in here. Oh, it's back again. What the heck is this? This isn't a hose.
It looks like weather stripping.
Yeah, what? This is like automotive. It is elastic. There's the pipe.
I can't figure that out.
This is definitely peculiar right there.
Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, how deep does that pipe go then? And why is there automotive weather stripping down here?
We definitely hit something fresh.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Alright, so after being unsure of what the source of the water could be, we decided the best course of action would be to keep digging around it. Thankfully, it seems to have mostly stopped.
Okay, well that's just one very small step in draining all of this out. It's a little bit more difficult than I might have anticipated, but that's the general idea. We need to dig these ditches back out that are completely filled in and get this water to flow.
The next day.
All eyes on what is now Tropical Storm Debbie, headed through Florida and coming this way, Rob.
Yeah, that's right, Joel. Slowly but surely coming our way, and we'll start to see some of those outer bands from Debbie starting tomorrow. So rain chances very low for today, higher for tomorrow. tomorrow, increasing in coverage for our rain and storms Wednesday, especially so Thursday into Friday.
All right, so I just checked the news, and Hurricane Debbie is coming straight for us a lot sooner than we expected. So I've got to get out there and dig those ditches now. All right, so today what we're trying to do is clear out a whole bunch of ancient ditches that are all around the property. All these drainage ditches serve the purpose of draining all of the water from our garage area out into the woods. But they haven't been cleaned or cleared for probably 30 years, so they're almost non-existent now. So what we're trying to do is clear the brush and redig some of these trenches so that there's no more standing water all around the property. All right, so we found our missing pipe, the one that comes from over there. It was completely buried in dirt with no way of knowing where the heck it was, so we were kind of just digging blindly for it, but here it is. It's a little damaged now, but I think we can excavate around it and fix it up, and then that's what's going to flow the water from that side under this section of driveway and down this trench we're working on now. So at least we found it.
We are getting the first few storm cells on the edge of the hurricane. Hopefully, we get a small break from the rain soon.
The storm is only growing and we have only finished a tiny portion of the ditches. Let's hope the RAR garage guys can get this done faster.
And right now we are tracking Tropical Storm Debbie after it made its second landfall earlier this morning on the way up the East Coast. The storm has drenched coastal communities in Georgia and South Carolina with record rain, powerful winds, and flash floods.
Even though we managed to get some of the trenches dug out and prepped, the property still flooded more than we imagined it could. We prevented the flooding in some areas, but others were totally wrecked. We're going to keep working on this, so make sure you subscribe to see that.
All right, so there's a break in the storm right now, but the big one is on its way. Carter and I have to leave for the weekend, but we are going to leave the property in the good hands of Bailey Payne here. He's going to take care of it. Now, Bailey, I need you to make sure the house does not wash away.
Bro,
so
it's
good
not.
luck.
Okay, well, that was probably one of their worst, best ideas ever. And, you know, whenever there's floods, we gotta try something we never done here. Wait, did I hear surfing in the river? Let's go. Woo! I don't know if this is gonna work well, but there's no other way to find out than to just do it, right? Okay, here we go. Woo! All right, I'm on the board now, and hopefully this water is gonna push me down. All right, I'm not going anywhere. I need a paddle.
A few moments later.
Got the paddle, now let's get back on the board. Woo! Okay, we are actually surfing now. Just gotta get a nice little push. Oh, dude, this is awesome. I'm literally surfing down the river at the RAR house. This is insane. Oh, wow. And it's only gonna get harder from here. This is just level 1. The next rapid's about to be so crazy. I don't think I'll survive. Oh, jeez, dude, look how deep it is. This is crazy. Oh, it's getting a little shallow. Am I gonna make it through? A nice push. Yes, sir. I will. Oh, all right. And we actually made it. Woo! We made it to the end of the river. Phase 1. Oh, complete. Let's head to the next rapid where it's not going to be as easy. I don't know how to prepare for something like this, but here goes nothing. It's actually so crazy to see water this deep up to the level of the fence. It's wild. All right, well, here we go. Okay, all I got to do is give it a nice solid push. We're going to ride down the stream, baby. Easy. Nice and easy. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, come on. I just needed more speed, but we have officially passed it. Woo! It's pushing me into the swamp water. I do not want to be here on the phase 3. Let's go. Wish me luck. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Woo! Whoa! 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 No! No! No, the board! All right. There's only one thing to do. Bro! Bro! We're kind of in a situation here. I don't really know what to do. I gotta figure out how to get back on. Man, this is not what I anticipated to happen at all. I gotta figure out how to get the board to the next rapid, but I guess that worked. So I gotta get the board out somehow. I didn't think it'd be this difficult. Ah! But it's not working. The only way to get my board is to jump down in this sketchy mud. Oh, I hope I don't fall in. There we go. I'm so scared right now. Why? Let me make sure. I'm usually never this scared, but in this situation I am. Bro, it's gonna break in half. It's just a chunk of mud. Woo! Oh, I hate this feeling. Ah, it's the worst situation I've ever experienced. Ah! Why is this happening to me? Ah! Ah! Why? Come on. Yes. Yes. We made it past level 3. Now it's time to hit level 4. All right, ready? Here we go. Now this is where things get fun. Oh, spiders. I didn't think that would be the hardest challenge. Oh, what? Oh, no. Oh, my God. No. Oh. Oh, I did it. I actually made it down. That was insane. We're going to try that one more time. I forgot the hardest part about this challenge is I have to do it with no paddle. Let's go. Woo. Yeah. This is so sick. Comment down below if you try this too. Woo! Oh! The last challenge is to survive this part over here. I don't think I'm gonna make it. There's so many trees and obstacles in the way. Parts that I don't even fit through. But we have to try this either way. Comment down below if y'all think I'm gonna be able to survive this. Woo! Thought that was a spider. Well, we're actually doing it, ladies and gentlemen. Check this out. I'm going down the river and I have no end position. So hopefully I come out somewhere good. Woo! This is actually insane. There's so much water everywhere, and I don't even know where the river ends up. But we gotta go all the way to the end of the river if we want to complete this challenge. I almost have made it to the very end. This is actually so deep. Look, I can't believe that. This is never this deep either. It's usually just dry land. But all I have to do is make it to the end, and I'm good. And touchdown, ladies and gentlemen, that was crazy. Behind me is the last challenge, a natural water slide, and I got a boogie board. Let's hit this thing. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Woo! Let's go! Yo, this water's crazy, look at this. Oh! This is insane. Look at that! I have an entire shield of water, but it's not going to be long till this thing out. Oh! Oh!
So as you guys just saw, the property flooded a whole lot more than we expected, but we've got something even bigger coming, so subscribe to see that.